Hello everyone. Welcome back to Edutalks. I'm Sophia, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today is day 8 of our 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Each day, we focus on one essential, real-life situation. And today, we're diving into something you'll use again and again, feeling confident when ordering food in English. Picture this. You walk into a restaurant. The server greets you with a friendly smile, and suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. You know you're hungry, you know what you want, but the words just don't come out. So you end up pointing at the menu, hoping they understand, or you play it safe and order the same simple thing every time, because it's the only sentence you remember. Sound familiar? Comment below if you've ever felt stuck while ordering food. Maybe you've been at a drive-thru and they ask, "For here or to go?" and you freeze. You practiced saying, "I want a burger," but not the questions that come next. Or maybe you're sitting in a restaurant with friends. Everyone is ordering confidently, and you're quietly hoping someone will speak for you. That feeling of embarrassment, frustration, and being left out when you should be enjoying the moment, it's real. But today, that changes. This is your turning point. Day 8 is all about building real food confidence. Because eating is something we all do, everywhere in the world. And you deserve to express exactly what you want, clearly and confidently. Here's what we're doing today. We'll start with 40 powerful sentences that cover every situation you might face, from fast food to fine dining, from cafés to delivery orders. And here's the exciting part. By the end of this lesson, through guided practice and real conversations, you'll master 100 essential phrases for ordering food naturally. Are you ready to stop guessing and start speaking with confidence? Let's upgrade your food ordering skills right now. Here are your 40 golden sentences for food ordering. I'll say each one 3 times. Natural speed, slow speed, then natural speed again. You repeat after each one. Before we start, remember to listen carefully to pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Repeat with confidence, even if you are not perfect. The goal is fluency, not perfection, and every sentence you repeat builds your real speaking ability step by step. Take your time with each phrase and try to imagine yourself in a real restaurant situation. Feel the environment, the sounds, and the interaction as if it is happening right now. This will help your brain connect English with real-life usage much faster and more naturally. Keep your voice loud enough to practice speaking clearly, and don't rush through the sentences, because clarity is more important than speed in the beginning stages of learning. When you move into the role-play sections, switch your mindset and become part of the conversation. Don't just listen, actively respond, as if you are really ordering food in a real restaurant. This kind of shadowing practice helps you train your brain to think in English instead of translating from your native language. If you make mistakes, that's completely fine. Just continue speaking and keep your flow natural. The more you practice, the more automatic your responses will become in real-life situations, like ordering, asking questions, or making requests in restaurants or cafés. Arriving and getting seated. Hi, table for 2, please. Hi, table for 2, please. Hi, table for 2, please. Do you have any tables available right now? Do you have any tables available right now? Do you have any tables available right now? We don't have a reservation, but we are happy to wait. We don't have a reservation, but we are happy to wait. We don't have a reservation, but we are happy to wait. Could we sit by the window if possible? Could we sit by the window if possible? Could we sit by the window if possible? How long is the wait time usually? How long is the wait time usually? How long is the wait time usually? We'd like a comfortable booth, please. We'd like a comfortable booth, please. We'd like a comfortable booth, please. Is there any outdoor seating available today? Is there any outdoor seating available today? Is there any outdoor seating available today? A table near the back would be great, please. A table near the back would be great, please. A table near the back would be great, please. Menu questions. What do you recommend from the menu? What do you recommend from the menu? What do you recommend from the menu? What's the most popular dish here? What's the most popular dish here? What's the most popular dish here? What exactly comes with this dish? What exactly comes with this dish? What exactly comes with this dish? How big is the portion size? How big is the portion size? How big is the portion size? Is this dish spicy or mild? Is this dish spicy or mild? Is this dish spicy or mild? Does this meal contain any nuts or allergens? Does this meal contain any nuts or allergens? Does this meal contain any nuts or allergens? Can I see the full drink menu? Can I see the full drink menu? Can I see the full drink menu? Do you have any vegetarian or vegan options available? Do you have any vegetarian or vegan options available? Do you have any vegetarian or vegan options available? Making orders. I'll have the grilled chicken pasta, please. I'll have the grilled chicken pasta, please. I'll have the grilled chicken pasta, please. Can I get the salmon dish, please? Can I get the salmon dish, please? Can I get the salmon dish, please? I'd like to order the beef steak today. I'd like to order the beef steak today. I'd like to order the beef steak today. We'll share the appetizer for the table. We'll share the appetizer for the table. We'll share the appetizer for the table. I'll start with the soup of the day. I'll start with the soup of the day. I'll start with the soup of the day. For my main course, I'll have the burger with cheese. For my main course, I'll have the burger with cheese. For my main course, I'll have the burger with cheese. Could I get that cooked medium rare, please? Could I get that cooked medium rare, please? Could I get that cooked medium rare, please? Can I substitute the fries for a salad instead? Can I substitute the fries for a salad instead? Can I substitute the fries for a salad instead? I'd like the dressing on the side, please. I'd like the dressing on the side, please. I'd like the dressing on the side, please. No onions in my meal, please. No onions in my meal, please. No onions in my meal, please. Extra cheese would be great, thank you. Extra cheese would be great, thank you. Extra cheese would be great, thank you. Can I get this order to go, please? Can I get this order to go, please? Can I get this order to go, please? I'll have a Coke with no ice, please. I'll have a Coke with no ice, please. I'll have a Coke with no ice, please. Just water for me, thank you. Just water for me, thank you. Just water for me, thank you. Can I get a refill on my drink? Can I get a refill on my drink? Can I get a refill on my drink? I'll have the hot coffee, please. I'll have the hot coffee, please. I'll have the hot coffee, please. What kind of tea options do you have? What kind of tea options do you have? What kind of tea options do you have? I'll try the house wine recommendation. I'll try the house wine recommendation. I'll try the house wine recommendation. Payment and ending. Can I get the check when you're ready? Can I get the check when you're ready? Can I get the check when you're ready? We'll pay together at the counter. We'll pay together at the counter. We'll pay together at the counter. Separate checks for each person, please. Separate checks for each person, please. Separate checks for each person, please. Can I pay with card or mobile payment? Can I pay with card or mobile payment? Can I pay with card or mobile payment? The food was absolutely delicious today. The food was absolutely delicious today. The food was absolutely delicious today. Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service. Perfect. Now let's put all these sentences into real action and practice them in conversation form. I have my friend Mark here with me today to help demonstrate real-life speaking situations. Mark will act as the customer, and I will act as the server. Listen carefully and shadow along with us. Speak both roles out loud to build confidence and fluency. Don't worry about mistakes. Just focus on natural speaking flow. Scenario 1. Casual restaurant. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Cafe. How many in your party today?
Hi, table for one, please.
Right this way, please. Here is your menu. Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Can I see the menu first, please? What do you recommend here?
Our chicken sandwich is very popular and fresh today.
I'll have the chicken sandwich. What comes with this dish?
It comes with crispy fries and a side salad.
Can I substitute the fries for salad only?
Yes, absolutely. No problem at all.
Medium cooked, please. And a Coke with no ice.
Anything else for you today?
No onions, please, and thank you.
Perfect. I'll prepare that order for you right away. Scenario 2. Fast food drive-thru. Welcome to Burger King Express. How can I help you today?
I'll have number 2 combo meal, please.
What size would you like?
Large size, please.
What drink would you like with that?
Coke, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
Extra cheese, please.
That will be $12.50 total. Please proceed to the window. Scenario 3. Food delivery.
Hello, this is Pizza House Delivery Service.
Hi, I'd like to place a delivery order, please.
Sure, may I have your address?
It's 123 Main Street, apartment 4C.
Great, what would you like to order?
I'll have a large pepperoni pizza, please. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes for delivery. Can I add extra cheese on top?
Yes, you can.
Your total is $18.50.
I'll pay with card, please.
Order confirmed successfully and will arrive soon.
Great job practicing today. You are improving step by step in real English speaking situations. Keep repeating these sentences daily and build your confidence in ordering food naturally. Today. Now it's time for your real-world challenge. Your mission. Choose your level. Beginner level. Practice 10 phrases while preparing your next meal or snack. Use at least 3 sentences when ordering food or drinks today. Try speaking out loud instead of thinking in your native language. Comment, "I'm ready," below. Intermediate level. Order your next lunch or dinner using at least 5 golden sentences. Ask one simple question about the menu before ordering. Try adding one extra detail, like size, taste, or preference. Record yourself speaking, voice memo or video, and listen back. Comment, "Level up," below. Advanced level. Visit a new cafe or restaurant you've never been to before. Use 10+ sentences from today's lesson naturally in real conversation. Talk a little with the server. Greetings, questions, small talk. Customize your order instead of just choosing basic options. Comment, "Food confidence unlocked," below. Remember, every restaurant interaction is practice. Every order you place is a step toward real fluency. Every meal you have is a chance to train your English in real-life situations. You are not just memorizing sentences. You are building real communication skills that you can use anywhere in the world. From cafés to restaurants, from fast food to fine dining, your confidence is growing with every single attempt you make. Speak slowly if you need to. Repeat if you forget. And don't stop yourself from trying. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes because of action. By day 30, you will notice a big change in yourself. You will walk into restaurants without fear, understand questions instantly, and respond naturally without overthinking. You will order exactly what you want, how you want it, and enjoy the moment instead of worrying about language. That transformation is already starting today. I can see it in your effort. I can hear it in your practice. Comment, "Sophia, I'm ready to order with confidence," if you're excited to use these phrases in real life. Comment, "I'm nervous, but I'll try," if you still need more practice and support. Either way, you are moving forward, and that's what matters most. Keep going, keep speaking, and keep improving every single day. See you in the next episode, where we'll continue building your real-world English step by step with another powerful situation. Your English transformation continues. Keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching.